There's a concert going on right now, but you know, I don't know if they're gonna let me in, but it's, I mean, it's really worth the shot. So, hold on, guys. I mean, but like, see, I don't know if it's worth it because I don't know if it's worth it. I might get in trouble for having like a an actual humongous like light out here. But I really don't think they'll care. You know, so I'm lucky. So yeah, I'm lucky gonna give it a shot. Let's go. I'm just gonna go fast. I might not even let you guys see. I'm just gonna be flying through it. Alright, okay. Alright, lights on. Hold on to me. Oh, it's coming right here. I'm gonna have to. Oh my god, I made it. Yeah, I made it. Let me shut off the light. Okay. I'm trying to go hook my friend. See if I can come out real quick. Yeah.